Oh dear, you guys.
Awesome, I think you wore the wrong shoes.
Yeah, I did the wrong shoes. I didn't know we were hiking that fucking mountain.
Oh. You're kidding. Juneau?
Come on, keep going, brother. Keep going. Yeah. All right.
Hi.
How you doing? Ooh, bear footprints. Oh my God. You're looking at your own feet down.
You gonna make it? You wanna go back down?
Push her back. You want to sit up here in a chair?
Push her back down.
Take a breather, Seth.
Tiana went back to the ship.
He's gonna die.
You got to do a marathon up there.
Yeah, you should have ran this with me.
He really walked. This motherfucker wants me to run.
We signed you up, Tiana.
I'm already tired. Who's got? Where's your latte?
Fuck.
Well, how far does this thing go?
Miles. Oh, I just missed the totem in the tree there.
Oh no.
Right there.
Oh. Did you not see it? Sorry, guys.
Take a break, Tiana. Take 5. We got 10 more miles.
10 more miles.
10 more miles.
Easy, Tiana, easy. That's gonna fucking collapse.
This reminds me of playing back in the woods.